Finding the best blender for hummus can be tricky, and you certainly don't want to buy a bad product. With that in mind, I've created reviews of the best hummus blenders so that you know which product to buy right now. You'll find links to each of them in the description below so that you can check the current prices. If you're looking for the best blender to make hummus, this Nutribullet Pro Plus 1200 is a great option in my opinion. With the power of a countertop blender wrapped inside a small footprint, this compact powerhouse is ideal for anyone looking to make high-quality hummus without needing to buy a big, bulky blender. With its 1,200-watt motor, the Nutribullet Pro Plus quickly and effectively blends even the toughest ingredients, making it perfect for smooth and creamy hummus. The pulse function is a handy feature that lets you achieve the desired texture for various hummus recipes, giving you a higher degree of creativity in the kitchen. Additionally, cleaning this blender is an absolute breeze. The twist-off blades and dishwasher-safe cups save you a lot of time and effort, letting you enjoy your creations without worrying about the cleanup. Also, whether you're preparing a small batch or a large one, the different cup sizes included make it versatile for everyday use. Though powerful, this blender can be quite noisy, which might be a consideration if you live in a small space. But honestly, any of the best blenders for making hummus are going to make some noise, so it's not like the Nutribullet is to blame here. Moving on to the fourth best blender for making hummus, we have the Cleanblend commercial blender, which is a solid choice for those who need a powerful and versatile blender for large batches of hummus and other recipes. The Cleanblend commercial blender is an excellent choice if you're looking to make hummus in large batches because it's equipped with a 3GP motor, making it incredibly powerful, and thus perfect for blending your ingredients into a smooth, creamy texture. Similarly, its generous 64-ounce capacity is ideal for preparing hummus for parties or meal prep. You won't need to make multiple batches with this machine, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Also, the sturdy construction and high-quality materials ensure the blender will last, even with frequent use, hence why this is a commercial-grade product. The unit's design includes BPA-free components and stainless steel blades, which prioritize both safety and durability. In addition to hummus making, you can handle everything from ice crushing to hot soup preparation, which speaks to the blender's versatile capabilities. Given its size and power, you might find it a bit bulky, although the sturdy construction is definitely a benefit overall. Additionally, the price point might be a consideration for some, though its features often justify the investment for many people. For a hardworking, reliable workhorse that can tackle tough blending tasks like hummus making, the Cleanblend commercial blender is definitely worth considering. Its robust performance and versatility make it a strong contender for your kitchen, especially if you love making hummus and other recipes that require a powerful blender. The number 3 product on my best hummus blender list is the Breville Fresh and Furious blender, which I rate as the best blender for hummus if you're seeking a sleek, durable blender without spending a small fortune. This blender really shines with its 9 one-touch programs and 5-speed settings, making it incredibly simple to use for a variety of tasks, from smoothies to ice crushing to hummus making. You just select your desired setting and it takes care of the rest. The even blending hemisphere performance means your hummus and other recipes come out smooth and consistent every time, which really makes a difference to your taste enjoyment. I really like that the Breville runs quietly compared to other high-powered blenders thanks to the innovative blade design and high-torque motor. This means you can blend early in the morning without waking up the whole house. Another unique feature is the surgical-grade stainless steel blades that stay sharp longer, ensuring efficient blending performance over time. One downside is that the accessory for vacuum blending, the Vac Q, is an added expense, although it's certainly not a necessary purchase by any means. Also, some might find the blender a bit on the heavier side compared to other models, making it less portable. Yet, its heft means that you're investing in a blender that's built to stand the test of time, which is definitely reassuring. Overall, you'll get great performance and versatility for a mid-range price, making the Breville Fresh and Furious blender a solid choice for both beginners and experienced hummus makers. If you want the best blender for making hummus but don't want to spend a fortune, this is my #1 recommendation. Now for the runner-up. This powerful, professional-grade Blendtec blender offers advanced technology and design for effortless hummus blending and less cleanup. For anyone serious about making hummus and other culinary delights, the Blendtec Total Blender Classic is a stellar investment, in my opinion. It packs a mighty punch with its high-power motor, ensuring everything from smooth creams to chunky dips is easily within reach. This really is a blender that tackles blending tasks without breaking a sweat, and it's super impressive to watch. One standout feature that I've really come to appreciate is its self-cleaning function. Just add hot water and some dish soap, blend for several seconds, and you're all set. This is a big time saver, especially when you're prepping multiple dishes or large meals. Plus, the illuminated LCD timer lets you know exactly how long you have left on your blends, taking the guesswork out of the process. Also, its versatility extends beyond just making hummus. With pre-programmed cycles for everything from hot soups to ice creams, it allows you to explore different recipes with minimal hassle. Whether you're whipping up a quick smoothie or preparing a multi-course meal, having this multifunctional tool on your countertop means less clutter and more efficiency. So, what is the best blender for hummus that you can get? Well, if you have the budget and want to buy a proven product, then the Vitamix E310 Explorian blender stands out with its variable speed control, allowing you to achieve the perfect texture for your hummus or any other dish. You get a smoother blend time after time thanks to its hardened stainless steel blades designed to tackle even the toughest ingredients. This blender doesn't just promise power, it delivers consistency and reliability, which is invaluable in any kitchen. From a convenience standpoint, one of the standout features is its incredibly easy self-cleaning process. A drop of dish soap and warm water, and it's done in under a minute. This makes maintaining your blender a breeze, which is ideal if you like to blend regularly. Additionally, the Pulse feature allows you to layer coarse chops over smooth purees, which is great for recipes requiring a chunkier texture. Though packed with great features, the E310 has a higher price point than other options. It's an investment, but you get what you pay for, a dependable product that saves you from frequent replacements. Its noise level at high speeds might be a touch loud, but that's a small trade-off for its powerful performance. Although, realistically, not everyone needs a Vitamix if they're just making hummus occasionally. So, those are the best blenders for hummus on the market today. Although I have my personal favorites, you can't go wrong with any of these products. Let me know in the comments which hummus blender is your favorite. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe even consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and have fun with your hummus blender.